Do you have a bobby pin? This suitcase is broken. Perfect. We are going to my Nana's cabin on the lake, about an hour away from here, for 4th of July weekend. We do that every year. It's always a great time. Can't wait to get up there, but my dad wants me to ski him real quick before we take the boat out of the water. It's you that I call on my FaceTime when I need something real. Oh yeah. I work the night shift till late in the PM. I'm California dreaming.
Who knows?
How was it?
It was good.
Alright, so just taking the boat out of the water now. The marina doesn't look too packed. That's a good thing. I was worried that a bunch of people would be trying to put their boats in the water since it's a big weekend. Hey, you close?
Find bottle rockets.
Did you find bottle rockets?
Oh yeah.
Nice.
It's amazing.
Really?
I beat you on.
What? So they just made fireworks legal in West Virginia. Like not the ground fireworks, but like mortars and stuff that go up in the sky and kaboom. We used to get all of our fireworks in South Carolina and we were all out of bottle rockets, and he says that he found a bunch of them, the good kind. California dreaming about you.
Just slowly accelerate till you hit the bumps. Don't go too hard.
Okay.
A little more.
California dreaming about you.
That hasn't been in the lake long. It's clean on the bottom.
Yeah, too clean, right?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at these bottle rockets. These are the good ones, baby. Nice and small. Got like hundreds of them. We're gonna have some fun with these. Ah, yeah. The boat wasn't far up enough on the trailer, so we slammed on the brakes. It's way cheaper to fill up your boat with gas while it's out of the water than it is on the lake. Oh yeah, not quite right sometimes.
Yeah, it'll be $10 in state, 12 out of state. Fine lady right here will take your money from you.
I'm California dreaming, dreaming. California dreaming about you. This lake is like 3 times bigger than the lake that we go to back home. It's a tourist lake. It's always a lot busier, really choppy, usually pretty windy because it's just so open. Sailboat racing is a big thing here. California dreaming about you. California dreaming. Hello! That doesn't help. You know if there's any ropes laying around so I can tie the boat off? Oh, rope delivery girl. Thank you. What are you doing? Blowing bubbles up there? All right, hey, I'll talk to you later, okay? I'm busy right now. I have so many fond memories of this place. I just love it so much. Hey, Sates. You already went in the water, huh? Back in my day, you had to blow bubbles yourself. You didn't just hook it up to a machine. Hey, sis. Glad to see you made it in one piece. Svea, how's it going?
Hey, girlfriend.
Hey.
Ow, my feet.
Your feet are hot? I know, this deck's hot.
Stop.
I think you need some more juice. It's not pumping it out like it was. How was the ride up?
Horrible.
Why?
Sadie's breath and Bella. And then we had to make like 4 stops before we even left. Melissa had to get McDonald's.
Alright, we went to Burger King and we got
Well, I didn't
4
get lunch.
crispy chicken juniors spicies
Oh
for
my
$4.
gosh.
Awesome deal. McDonald's stopped selling Buffalo Ranch McChicken, so I had to take my business elsewhere.
What's going on?
How's it going?
What do you got there?
I thought you were carrying
This is
a
my
doll.
new deal.
I thought you were carrying a doll
got,
in
like,
here.
real
That's what I
serious
thought.
sound.
Oh my gosh.
Did you see the bottle rockets we
Come on,
got?
Bella. Bella, get outside.
This is the hailstorm that was in Middleburg.
That's hail?
These are hailstones.
No way.
Yes, way.
Did it damage your cars?
It was 2 miles north of us. A mile north of us was this size, and then right at our house was only that size.
Holy crap.
Pretty
Huge.
They're about all gone.
Yeah, they're just about all gone.
So the cars were all,
That's from the hail?
yeah.
Oh my. They sell these fireworks in West Virginia now.
Yeah.
That's amazing. The good bottle rockets. When was the
their
last time we
reaction.
had some of
It's
these?
their reaction against,
Am I interrupting something?
Yes.
Okay. I'm just passing through. I'm not looking. Whatever you're doing over there in the corner.
You come in here, what are you doing? You been having fun this summer?
Yes. I just saw you guys like a week ago.
Where?
Patrolbacks pool.
That was 2 weeks ago.
Sorry, I lose track of time in the summer.
Oh, the same day.
This is my Nintendo 64
Yes, girl.
with the Pokemon stickers. Look at that. Completely personalized.
Smack it. Don't smack
Is that a
it.
wasp or a hornet?
It's a wasp.
Jeez. How are you that brave?
Because you'll get stung if you be scared and slap it.
what you got there, buddy?
Seeing what you're doing, I heard someone down here. This is what you brought? Some smoke bombs.
Saturn batteries. These will be good for the drone.
Are those the ones that spin around on the ground?
Now they shoot up. It's just bottle rocket type things without sticks.
Bentley!
Yeah, it was.
Oh my God.
These are quads.
All right, I think we're good on the fireworks now.
A pickup load full.
Unreal.
Are you kidding me?
No, this is all. That's all full. This is. We got so.
Oh my God.
But those are. This is a big one. This goes all the way.
Holy crap! How many shots is that?
Those are singles, and these are doubles, and those are triples, and these are quads.
Oh my gosh.
76.
Oh my God.
Oh,
I
yeah.
haven't quite seen one that big.
That is.
There you go, Doug.
Wow.
Yeah, Matthew! Yeah, Buster!
The shark is... Erica, pretend like yours wasn't...
You could just hold it in your hand. Ugh, it smells so bad. Nana, I have to say, I think I can pull off your jacket better than you can. We are going to pick up some pizzas now from the Honey Honey bar. And they're just setting off firecrackers right now.
What's that fuzzy thing on top?
Called a dead cat. Blocks out the wind.
I like dead cat.
I know you like dead cats.
They're yummy.
Okay, that's weird.
This thing not working. This is the dead one.
Blows
Okay.
out. It's a... Oh.
Dad, what?
Nice.
It's lit, it's lit.
Okay.
Zooming in or out? Out, I want to be out.
I have a hat on still.
Whoa, who got crushed by the bridge?
We did.
Did you get crushed by the bridge?
No.
We would never have
Yeah, we would have never made it. Long Warden family tradition. Every time we go under a bridge on the boat, you have to cover your head with your hand. Unless you have a hat on, then you're good. If you don't cover your head, then the bridge collapses on you and you die and you lose.
You got it. That's right.
That's right. See?
Look at that wall. What did it say? It's bars.
I like the picture. Alright, so we gotta wait on the free popcorn. We'll survive. Come on. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be a while before we get a good load of popcorn.
Good load.
Each,
Like for a full.
like for the full package for everything to go.
Yeah.
It'd take roughly about 10 to 15 minutes depending on the heat.
Thanks.
So yeah.
Every 4th of July, we come to the Honey Honey Bar and we get some of their famous free popcorn. And that all the cousins always get a picture on this elephant together. I'm coming.
Michael, that ear's gonna break, honey.
What? Oh, the ears are gonna break? What, you call me fat? Oh, there we go. Boom, look where it landed. Whoa.
Awesome, man.
Yep. You heard it go off underwater. All right, let's shoot some underwater. Hello. Hey.
Quiet on the set. Quiet. Tinkerbell.
Is that all three going?
Tinkerbell and Pan.
Triple. In the water. Oh my God, it's raining fire! Why is it like right around us? Ah! It's 3D! Oh, that's loud. Oh! Yes! Woo! I can't hear.
That was a pedal.
That was right up front.
I can't hear.
No, that
I was
actually
right there
felt
by
like
it.
it was like right there. That
Yeah, it was coming right down at us. That was awesome.
Oh my gosh.
That was a good one.
Woo!